Congratulations on your purchase of Draper FlexStyle Cassette window shades. The cassette was designed to be super easy to install. You're going to love it. To start, mark the wall, jamb, or ceiling for placement of the mounting brackets. The mounting brackets have spacer tabs to ensure optimal product clearance. Locate the brackets no more than 5 inches in from the ends of the cassette. Most cassette sizes will only require 2 brackets. If a third bracket is required, it should be mounted in the center of the case. Simply attach the brackets using appropriate fasteners for your mounting surface. You may wish to pre-drill the holes depending on the mounting surface. Once the brackets are installed, lift the cassette assembly into place. For ceiling-mounted applications, tilt the cassette forward and push in on the spring-loaded bracket tabs. Then rotate the cassette into position onto the rear hooks of the brackets and release. For wall-mounted applications, tilt the cassette forward and push up on the spring-loaded bracket tabs. Then rotate the cassette into position onto the top hooks of the brackets and release. It's that easy. If you need additional support, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.